So in this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube link in Instagram bio. So after you open your mobile phone, go to YouTube. So after you open the YouTube, go and copy the link that you want to add to your Instagram. So let's say I want to add YouTube channel link. So I'll open the channel like this. So click on this three dot and click on the share button. So now copy the link. So after you copy the channel link or the video link you want to add, now go to Instagram. After you open Instagram, go to your profile. So after you go to your profile, now click on this edit profile. Scroll to down and click on this links. Tap on this link. So from there, tap on this add external link. So now type in the URL in this option. So after you paste the URL in this option, now click on this option to add title. So my title is YouTube. After you type in the YouTube like this, now click on this save button. So now your YouTube link has been added to your Instagram bio. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.